We had the Garden Center of America tour. Did I say that right? The Garden Center of America tour come to see us because they chose us out. I don't know. Why did they come see us?
Well, there's actually a bunch of people, garden center owners and managers from around the country that join together and they tour all the nurseries in a particular city.
Okay.
So we were chosen as one of the ones that they should come see for ideas, or actually really just for ideas.
Amazing.
For everyone to be inspired, really.
That's cool. So we had 3 buses pull in, had 105, 110 people, literally like mob the whole garden center and check out everything. So it was really cool. They're all garden center owners, like Aaron's saying. They critique, they learn, they network, and it was just really cool to have everybody come and hang out with us. We had Sharon from the UK come and do some really cool, what did she do?
Grab and go containers. So basically they have these inexpensive fiber pots, and then you basically do a custom container for a pot, and then you can stick it in any fancy pot that you want. So they get to choose if they want a white pot, a green pot, whatever pot that suits them. But the container itself is this fiber, it breaks down after one season, but you could place it in anything.
The whole staff came together to answer any questions and guide the guests around. That was really cool. I saw the interaction going on. We had some great compliments and some great back and forth, sharing numbers and sharing best practices. What were you seeing?
I'm just seeing how much they honestly care about this place, and they were just here and they did this. Like, we all, we started it, but we're all doing this together. And I think they're so proud of what they've done. They were just happy to be here and be available to answer how we do things.
And that was the neat part too, is I'd kind of hear the team talking and just, like you're saying, just being so proud, like they're truly just sharing all the knowledge of and love of what's going on. You don't necessarily have to come in a tour bus to come see us, but definitely come see us, hang out, enjoy the space, see what Erin and her team has created here, just like all the other garden center owners that came to see us.